welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair this straight. It's not bone straight, but it's silky, y'all. It's silky, it's nice. I'm loving it. I'm going to be reviewing this TYMO brush that I've been seeing floating around, and I wanted to know how it is, so I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of my first time using it, and then I'll wrap it up and let y'all know how I feel about it. But you know, I'm smiling, so that might be giving it away. Anyway, make sure you stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up for me if you like content like that. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I'm starting off with my hair half blow dried, and then the rest I just air dried it. So again, this is the TYMO Ionic hair straightening brush. So inside the box I got some hair clips, a glove, and then it also came in this nice little carrying case. So this is what the brush is looking like. It's just an electric brush. It goes up to 450 degrees. It actually heats up really fast. As you guys see here, you can adjust the temperature as you need to. So I start off parting my hair into different sections just to make it a little easier to straighten it. I think I ended up using just like 400 degrees or like right under 400 degrees. Make sure you use a heat protectant, guys. This is gonna help your hair, especially with applying such high heat. It's good to add an extra layer of protection. Let's begin. I was nervous, y'all. Woo! Okay, so touching the brush, the black part is not hot. It's like the plates are hot. The little pink part is hot. So that's what I was doing there. And this is the first pass I'm doing through the hair. I didn't realize how easy this was. Like literally, you just smooth it on your hair and your hair is straight, just like that. Like voila. This reaction here is really how I was feeling. I was impressed. So then I went up under and I just kind of passed it like on both sides. This really is impressive. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up some. As you guys see, my hair, you know, it's a little tangly and hard to comb through, but then I just passed the brush through one pass. As I was doing it more and more, I realized that it's kind of better to do it a little slower so that way you can do one pass. And then I go up under my hair, like I do the top and then I do the bottom, as you guys see here, but you don't have to do that. If you want, you can just do one pass. The more and more I was doing it, the more I got used to doing it, and I realized that like if you do it slower and more tension, like if you pull your hair as you're pulling the brush down, you can do one pass and it's super soft, super smooth. Like this oh my god, it was so impressive, y'all. Like I'm so dramatic with my facial expressions, but this was so quick, so easy, and I just couldn't believe I was getting so much out of this little tiny brush. Again, I'm just showing you guys how it is just blow dried and air dried, and then this is with the TYMO brush, like so smooth, so soft. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here and kind of do the rest of my hair. It is fast forwarded, but this process, I want to say it took me about 20 minutes, if that, to do the whole head, but it took no time at all. Like the one pass was very, very sufficient. And I just go through my whole head and do each section. Do y'all see the movement? Do you see the flow? Okay, like wow, you need this brush, seriously. I'm happy, y'all. The more and more I did it, the more I was like, this is worth it. This brush is the truth. No other hair straightener I will probably be using, like for real, because I don't even like my hair that bone straight to begin with, but I like it to be smooth and straight. One thing about me is that I cannot lie. So these reactions you guys are seeing me do and how excited I am, I really am impressed. Yeah, so I'm just going through the whole head. I'm probably skipping some parts just for the sake of timing with this video, but I'm just going in section by section and smoothing out my hair, and that's pretty much it, y'all. Like if you want it straighter, definitely go in maybe multiple passes or do it a little bit longer, but this is what I was trying to achieve with the straightness. Alright my friends, so I am done straightening my hair. I did want to go ahead and straighten my hair because I'm prepping my hair for some braids. On this channel, I do a lot of wig reviews, so you know, I do the straight backs, but this gonna make it easier, okay? I absolutely love this brush. This brush will save you all kind of time. Do y'all see how quick it was? I love the fact that this brush literally was like one pass through my hair. I was kind of skeptical, like it's one pass. And I normally don't straighten my hair that much. I do blow dry it a little bit and then sometimes let it air dry the rest of the way. But I wanted to just test this brush out. I've been seeing it floating around and I'm so happy that I got it. I will definitely leave a link below. I see that you can get this brush off of Amazon, so I'll leave a link below to Amazon. You can definitely get it online with the TYMO website. I don't have a coupon code. This video is not sponsored. I just legit got it because I'm seeing this brush floating around everywhere. Y'all let me know for sure if you've ever tried this brush. What do you think about it? I know I like it. I'm happy I got it. It's gonna save me a ton of time with my hair, with my daughter's hair, so I'm happy that I got it. I'm happy with the fact that I don't have to do a couple passes. Initially I did like 2 passes, but I realized you have to like pull your hair as you're doing it and do it a little slower in 1 pass. That's it. Less heat damage. Definitely use some heat protectant spray if you're going to be straightening your hair. I think if you want to get it more bone straight, definitely use a flat iron, but this gets the job done. This, I can't keep my hands out my hair, y'all. Overall, I like this brush. Drop a comment down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.